In order to understand DevOps, we first need to understand what a developer is and what operations are. Here is a software developer who develops code, which is building applications and integrations that meet the needs of customers and the business. The software developer is motivated to rapidly release code to meet those demands, and this is where the dependency on IT operations occurs, which historically was a love-hate relationship, which would often go round the twist. You see, software developers would have to engage with IT operations when they release code. Why is this? Well, IT operations staff are charged with maintaining the infrastructure and keeping the enterprise stable. For this reason, IT operations often get twitchy when developers release code, especially rapidly releasing code, which can bring about the possibility of instability, which ironically can bring business operations down, which is what the software developer was trying not to do. So, what is the solution to this conundrum? Well, the answer came in a philosophical concept, which is known as DevOps. And this DevOps philosophy is now being embraced by many IT organizations across the world. So, how does DevOps work? Well, let's imagine that both software developers and IT operations are from two different worlds that often traditionally collided. That was philosophical in its own right. But thankfully, the concept of DevOps seeks to bring these two disciplines together in a partnership. It does this by seeking to build collaborative relationships between developers and operators with open communication. In other words, instead of two worlds colliding, the two worlds come together to form one united world. Which means no more paper aeroplanes, but instead a proper open communication channel which enables collaboration between the two teams under the united philosophy of DevOps. What's more, this philosophy has adapted and expanded with the use of cloud computing, which is one of the enabling technologies for DevOps environments. Specifically, DevOps embrace a subconcept known as Infrastructure as Code (IAC). This was covered in detail in a separate video which I have linked now on the top right corner of your screen. And to conclude this video with some important CCSP exam bonus tips. The DevOps philosophy is often linked to agile software development. Whilst these two are different concepts, they are deeply related to each other. And you may be wondering, well, what is DevSecOps? Well, DevOps used in a cybersecurity program or context is called DevSecOps, which also has a sub-concept known as security as code, which I will produce a separate part 2 video on. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you would like to see more content like this, it would be super fantastic if you could leave a like and subscribe to help support this channel's growth.